Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I would like to thank all my subscribers all over the world to make Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. So if you are taking subscription membership level 5, I will be giving you full support for 1 year and I will be sharing you the video links. So today I will start with the that's diesel generator starting air motor. You can see in this picture the starting air motor of the auxiliary engine. Here the case is Yanmar, but it can be fitted to some other generator also. So I will like to run the video for you, so watch carefully, and if you have any doubt you can message me. My email number is there, WhatsApp number is also available. You can comment, and let's start the video. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll explain about starting air motor. This starting air motor is used for starting the generator. In our case it is Yanmar, it can be some other generator also. If you see, this is the starting air motor where you have the pinion gear you have here. I will explain to you how it's working. This pinion gear, when the signal is given, this will move forward and engage with the flywheel. Once the flywheel is turned, then it will come back. So how it is working? Initially the air will come here, there are two holes here. Push the pinion gear. Once that is pushed, then the air will enter here to turn the motor in order to turn the flywheel. So this is the starting air motor. So I will go to the next slide. Normally we have a solenoid valve for emergency operation. So third engineer who are just promoted should have a look at it for emergency start. It is always hidden, it is not easy to identify. So in this case you can see the solenoid valve, there is a push button here. You need to push this in order to activate the solenoid manually. Otherwise the signal will come from engine control room or local control. This is the emergency. When the solenoid valve is not working, then you need to press here. It's not visible, you can see here. You have to press this. Once you press this, the starting air motor will start and the generator will start. So you have to be very careful when you are pressing this, so that you have to leave it exactly when the generator starts. Otherwise the pinion gear will break. So in our case what happened is the starting air motor had problem, so we have opened it. I am showing you one part of it here. You can see the gears here. So this will be moved by, you can see the gears here, 1, 2, 3. This will be moving, and you got a bearing here. And other side of it you can see, I'm just showing you. I will be explaining in more detail. This is for the beginners, so just have a look at it how it is. So I will explain more detail of overhauling of the starting air motor. Okay, so you can see the parts here. So what actually happens is, I want to just show you how it is actually moving. When you turn the other side from inside, this will start moving. You can see moving. Actually I am trying to show you. This will be engaged with the gear one more. So you can see this is one part of the starting air motor which I have removed to show you. Okay. Second thing which I want to show you is, I want to show you how this is going to operate, and you will hear the noise of the generator when starting. So I would like to show you how it's starting. So you can see this is the flywheel and this is starting air motor. You got the gear here. Once you push the emergency button of the solenoid, the gear will move forward, engage with this. Once it is engaged, then it will keep turning. Once the generator starts, this has to go back. Okay, so you have to leave the push button which I showed you on the solenoid if you're starting it on emergency, but if you're starting on remote, no problem. Okay, so I will just show you how it is going to work. Here, keep watching the pinion gear here. Engage, now turning. Generator started. Once the generator starts, it goes back. You see that? Okay, so the flywheel is moving here. So for third engineers and for junior engineers who have joined the ship, they should know how this pinion gear is working. Similar gears are there in your car. When you start the car, this gear will engage with the flywheel and the car starts. So same mechanism, but that will be electric motor. Here it's air motor. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can message me. If you like the video, you can subscribe and have a nice day. Hope you enjoy my videos. Thank you very much.